just came out and she just came down from the trail all happy. What you been doing, Gabbo? It's running again. There, that's interesting. Another one. Interesting. Okay, Gabby and I are back out to restock today, and we haven't been here in a few days, and since we were here last, the bottle of honey has disappeared. I've taken a quick look around, but I haven't seen it yet anyway. And over here, we've got the sweet potatoes. So I think what I'm going to do is open this up and dump them out onto the stump, and take the container with me, and next week I'll bring some fresh ones back in it. So we're going to restock, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so got to do this quick. The battery's about to die, and it's starting to rain again. So here's how I've got the stump. New bottle of honey. Put the stuffed animal back up here. Dug the rocks out again and the little plastic animals I put there. Here's the sweet potatoes out of the container. And over here, I've got one of the fancy jars of peanut butter, the organic kind, with an apple pie and 2 apples on top. So we're going to leave it like this, and we're going to look around and see if we can find that other honey bottle. And yeah, we'll come back out here first thing tomorrow, see if anything's been here. Okay, Gabby and I are back out here at the gifting area. It's the next morning after we left stuff yesterday, and I'm happy to see somebody's been here, and things seem to be back to normal. I'm thinking maybe part of the reason, if not the whole reason, this stuff has been disappearing is because the last 2 times I brought it out, there was really heavy rain that came down in the hours afterwards. So maybe they packed stuff off to a more sheltered area to enjoy. Because yeah, we had some rain last night, but it wasn't bad. Even a little bit of snow this morning. So anyway, I don't have much time here. Let's take a quick look at what we got. The apples are gone, and the fancy jar of organic peanut butter is still in the bucket. I'll go ahead and just leave it like that. That's another thing I was thinking, is maybe they weren't taking the peanut butter because they had some of this fancy organic stuff, and then we switched back to the cheap on sale kind, and that's when it stopped being taken. So maybe they prefer the good stuff. So that's what I'm leaving out here now. So here's our pie tin. A little bit of mess on the edge, and it's pretty much our normal crinkled shape. A couple of pretty deep creases in there. And can I see that, Gabby? Can I see that? Scoot, scoot. Yeah, this looks perfectly fine. And the lid, it has our, come on Gabby, look out. Look out, Gabbo. Ah. Okay, and our lid has that dent that we've become accustomed to. Otherwise, it's fine. Okay, so the sweet potatoes. It looks like a few are missing. One is here. I've taken a look at them. There's no signs of any chew marks or anything been trying to eat them. There's another one on the ground over there. No marks on it either. And our bottle of honey is gone. And it appears this time that's what they chose to pack away with them, because I'm not seeing the bottle or the cap, anything here. So anyway, Gabby and I have to go. I got to get to work. I'm running late today, and we're going to leave everything just the way it is here, and I'll come back out tomorrow before work and take another peek, see how things are doing. So, please bring the honey bottle back. Thanks for leaving the pie tins here. Okay. A quick look around. Okay, I gotta go. Let's go, Gabby. Let's go. A little bit of high water today. Yeah, these trees over there, them big tall ones and a little cluster like that, those are the ones that are really scary. Yeah. Oh my God. Holy crap. Good grief. This little video is not even beginning to capture how bad this is. Well, it would appear that the storm has passed, at least the worst of it. Unfortunately, the highway is closed. There's too many trees down to even try to open it tonight, so all these vehicles, I don't know if you can see them, but they're stuck here. So we've got the community center opened up for all the strangers that need a place to stay. There's some guys down there. You can see where the lights are. They're trying to cut down one of the trees here, but it isn't going to do them any good because there's about 20 more a little farther down. So, yeah, we're just going to hang out here at the store and keep people in supplies for a few more hours. And then, yeah, then I'll go gather my cat and Gabby and go build a fire for the night. Okay, here's the river today. It's gone way back down. You can see how high it was last night. See where the leaves are here, not there. This is where it was last night. Going back down now. Thank goodness. But, yeah. Lots of trees down. And my neighbor's roof. Big tree over their roof. It's the top of this cedar over here. Okay, so they got all the people lined up here. There's the pilot truck. And all these folks who've been stranded in here all night with the green water here are going to get taken down the mountain. So that's where the road's closed, is right there. They've got it cleared enough for emergency vehicles, so they've decided they're going to lead one long row of vehicles down the mountain. There they go. Bye. There goes half the population of Greenwater. Bye.